In this video, I will show you step by step how to properly backwash a Bestway sand filter on your above ground frame pool. We currently have this large frame pool from Bestway, which holds a total volume of approximately 15 cubic meters of water. It is fully equipped with a high quality sand filter system, and the water is treated using specialized chemical tablets that are conveniently placed inside a versatile 3-in-1 skimmer unit. They disinfect the water well. It's already been running for 2 days. Now we turn on the backwash mode and we proceed to switch on the pump, carefully connecting the hose to the system. Let's check the quality of the water coming out of the sand. As you can see, the water contains sand and fine dust. If we don't wash it, all of this will end up in the pool. We rinse for 3 to 4 minutes or until the water runs clear. You can clearly see that the first batch of water after washing the sand is entirely opaque and thick, looking distinctly milky with some leftover residue. Because of this, we will need to continue the rinsing process several more times until it is clean. And once we've finished thoroughly rinsing all the sand, we will carefully check the water's overall clarity. Now the water has become crystal clear. We can pour it out and start the direct wash of the sand. We turn off the pump motor. And then we carefully turn the control valve over to the drip mode position. Right here, we have the specialized direct sand washing mode. And now we will proceed to switch the pump back on once again. Let's see what kind of water comes out of the sand. As we can clearly observe from this demonstration, the water that is currently coming out of the sand has become quite cloudy and murky once again. To fix this, we need to continue to rinse the material thoroughly for another 2 to 3 minutes, keeping the flow steady until the water finally runs perfectly clear and transparent. Once the initial rinsing process is finished, we are going to carefully pour fresh water into the bucket once more so that we can thoroughly examine its clarity. As you can clearly observe right now, the water has finally become completely transparent and is now perfectly clear to the eye. That means we can switch the filter to its normal filtration mode. We turn off the pump. Let me remind you that you must not switch this valve while the pump is running, otherwise it will break. And after that, we set the pump to the filtration mode. It's marked with a play type icon like this. And we start the pump. After that, full water filtration begins, proper filtration. Pressurized air is steadily escaping from the pump at the moment. You can unscrew that cap on the sediment trap to let the air out, or you can just wait for it to come out on its own. And you can see that water has started to fill the skimmer, collecting all the dirt. You can see that insects have started to gather. There are a lot of them because we were filling the pool with water for 3 days. During this time, insects managed to fall in from all over the property. We position the skimmer so that there is a gap of about 5 centimeters here.